okay, if you wanna, okay, it's getting recording. So in this session we are going to talk about the why yesterday assigned we discussed about the single dimensional array. Okay, 1 second please. Can you stop the recording? Only 1 second. Just a minute. Want to assign the values, okay, if you want to assign the value or else if you want to read the value, so we can go for using the for each statement. So whereas you need to mention the initialization value and the last value here. So it will take care about the, it will automatically take care about these two things here. Okay. So here the in case for the variable of references to value of the array, that is for each the variable of loop refers to value of the array in assigned to the variable for this loop here. And here for example you can assign like dynamically you can assign the value, or else you can assign a fixed length array here. And one more thing here, there is a topic generally we do have a array class here. So what is the array class is going to be do is, for example, array class is giving some predefined it was a predefined class under the system namespace, which act as a base for every we were declaring, actually every array we were declaring here. So array class itself is a base class, okay. It is going to be available under the system namespace only, and where it is going to be okay fine. So this class array provides a set of methods and properties that can be applied on the array we declare. Those are we declare actually. So what are the set of predefined methods or properties available in the array? First point. Okay, so the arrays, whatever the we are going to be have is like sorting of an array, okay, reverse of array, and copy method, okay, and the copy method. So these are the few examples like sorting and reverse and copy. These things generally available in the single dimensional array, in array class. So how to use this array classes, array class methods they are going to be used. So just I'll show here one example. So let me create the file, new project. Okay, str2. So here let me take the class int of arr. Enter arr is equal to, so this time I want to use dynamic or a dynamic length here. So like something like 34, 56 and 90 and 61 and 29. So like this, like let me take 38. So just whatever the random numbers I'm taking, there is no logic, nothing. 83 and something 71. So yeah, just 63. So these are all the values. Oh, these are the values. And okay, I'll just remove this here. What is this integer of? I'm extremely sorry. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so now if I go for here something like for what I'm going to be the length is nothing but the how many elements it contains. Generally generally what do you call here, whatever the values you are going to be have inside of the array, we generally use a special term that is called as the elements. So what are the elements we are having in the array? So this length is nothing but total length or else total number of count in the current array here. That is called the length here. So if you directly length is giving that, so total length of this array here. So but arr dot, so le and th. total array of the length. Okay, and this is the array, and what I wanted to do is here, just I want to print the statement as it is here. Just console.write line. Here I can go for ARR of something like 0, ARR of I, I'm sorry, ARR of I. Let me concatenate with some space here. So no use space. No. Okay, and here see, always we are using console.write now, write line. So let me take this time as a console.write. Okay, console.write. I'm taking this, the both the different. What is the difference between write line method and write method? Just I'll show. Okay, so here then after this, let me write console.read line. Yeah. Okay, so let me now just let me try to get the output here. Control F5. If you want to get the, just you click on Control F5 button. See here, just plain output 34, 56, 90, whatever the order it is assigned in the array, those as it is we are going to get the array here. So, but what I wanted to try to take is I want to sort this array. Okay, I want to sort the array. I don't want to get the output, whatever the as it is order I want to. So let me sort by default is ascending here. Okay, ascending order here from smaller to bigger here. So how to take that out here? So for that, generally I told there is a already predefined class is available. There is the array here. See, this is the array class dot here. If you observe here, there are so many methods available here. Something like clear array and copy array and equal. So find all. Like that here there is a index of last index of, so like that. So you can find something sorting here. So it is sort array. So this sort is nothing but it's a predefined method under a class of array. See array, just you go for sort here. So what is, if you see the namespace here, the array class system array. The array is nothing but it's a class under a system namespace. Method sort is nothing but sort of array. It can follow, it can take up to 16 overloaded methods. What is the overloads here? I'll talk in object-oriented programming and array. So you need to pass as a parameter array. Then after, see which array you want to be sort here. So I want to sort the array is simple ARR. Okay, ARR array I want to sort. So what will happen? So as of now, whatever the order we do have here, the initialization array order, that is going to be changed by due to this line here. Okay, this line will change that order. And let me print this one also for each. So here the for each, so it is the item. So now just ARR, and inside of the array item just you console.write line. Okay, console.write line or else console.write. So console.write here just you print with the items. Item, console.write item. Now just you print this Control F5 here. Just you see the program saving from history. Control S, then Control F5. I think I pressed something else. Okay, let me give some space here. Item, then concatenate with some space here. Okay, and now you click on Control F5. See, it is going to be displayed in the N1 proper order from descending to ascending. 29, 34, 38, 56, 61, 63, 69, 71, 83, 90. So in the previous order, so 34 the beginning value, so it is completely arranged automatically in the order wise. You are not doing anything. Clear? So that is the use of this using here the sort method. Okay. So let's next the thing, if you want to do something like order is something sorting order, and next one more method I want to use something reverse order. So reverse order of moving what? So whatever the order you are having here, so that is going to be used reverse order. So how to use? It is also same thing. Okay, let me here take for sorting is what? Sorting, and this statement is going to be for sorting reverse order, sorting and reverse here. So same here, array, array dot array dot re. Okay, array dot reverse here. See, we are not going to discuss all the methods inside of this array class, but just if you get a chance, just you have a look. It's very simple and very straightforward. Okay, clear and binary search sense is nothing but within the collection of array you are going to get, and copy, and copy equals find all. Very frequently used this one is the index of, also we generally use. Okay, index of, and resize we don't use much, sorting obviously, and like that. Okay, here these are the things we are going to use here. So reverse of the order, and just you use the reverse and you pass here ARR array and pass the array, and after that same I want to use for each statement for the printing of this. For each same you can use console dot right line of item. Okay, item, then space you are going to be have. Okay, here this is not collection, here ARR. Okay, this is a statement you can follow here, reverse ARR dot reverse. So now the last one is we are going to get is a reverse order. Now console dot right line I use it. So let me just remove from the line 2 here, console dot right. Now go for F5. Okay, for the statement, let me give one more console dot right line here, console dot right line. Okay, the printing statement is coming in the next line here. See, the first one is as it is given, and second one is the 90 was there, so ending of the 90, so 92 will giving the reverse order. So actually here you may have wonder, your is a 3456 is there, no, 63 to 63 71 83, like this is the reverse order, but why we are getting is this 90 87? So this one is a reverse order here. Any guess or any idea? I'm expected the output is whatever you defined, that you need to get it, no? So why you get it like that? Any idea? Anyone? So here actually what is happening means the reverse order we are taking on the ARR. So actually your defined ARR is the top one, but the thing what is happening in the middle, one more statement here, the sort is nothing but you have been changed the actual order of the your array. Okay, so what's happening here, the this array actually in the memory, the array is already modified like in the sorting order. So the what is the latest order was there, so that is only here we are going to be this compiler is going to be picking it. Okay, so that's the reason you are getting the order from 90 beginning to something like 30 or 20 something change. Okay, if you remove the sorting of this mechanism first here, so automatically you will get the reverse order of actual your array here. Okay, so actually your what you are doing here, you are changing your actual array by using the sort method. So that's the reason you are not getting actually collection of the arrays reverse order. Is it okay? Now let me go with the copy order here. So like then copy. So after the copy here, console.write line. See the difference between what is the console.write line and write is the write, if you give no. So write line means is nothing but each and every item is going to be printed in the next line. Write in the line, next line, write in next line, write in next line. That's what you are giving the command to the compiler. But whereas in the write is nothing but just you write as it is. Okay, how the output is coming, just you write as it is. So that is what you are doing in right. Okay, that's the reason you are getting all the outputs like the side by side you are going to get here. See, all the output you are getting in the one line. I gave the space between the outputs here. Okay, if I given control dot write line, so automatically each item will be printed in the next line. Is it okay? So now let me check with the this output is copy output. So copy means nothing but, so you are doing some copy. So that if you are copying something in general, so definitely you need to paste somewhere, no? If you are doing copy, just you need to paste in some other location. If you don't paste, there is no meaning for the copy. So if you want to do copy, this compulsory you need one more. You need one more array here. Okay, because copy you are doing a copy to array. So definitely you need to paste this copied array into a paste location. The paste location is nothing but you need to create a one more array here. So for that what we are doing, int of arrays ARR. So previous one ARR. This time I am going to create here the new ARR. So new ARR is equal to integer of something like new integer of, I am going to be to declare it as something 8 elements here. So what is the element here? 8 element I am doing, and up to 8 element it can take. So ARR array of dot copy, array of array copy, from where you are going to be see here the IntelliSense is giving an option to you, array source array. Next one also be array type, which is nothing but destination array, and after that first you need to mention source, then destination, then length. Length is nothing but how many elements you want to copy. Either entire array you want to copy, or else only few selected elements you want to copy here. So for that, what is our source of array? ARR is my source of array. Destination is nothing but BRR, and destination is BRR. If I want to, just I don't want to give all that. I just want to create only length up to 5 elements only I want to copy here. Okay. So I did that statement here. Now I want to read those data. Control Z for each. So generally use for each statement for arrays or collections here. Okay. So what is your latest printed value? BRR. So BRR is your array now. So console dot write line here, the console dot write line item here, item, then concatenate with some space here. Okay, item console dot write. Okay, console dot write line. So what I am going to get here, write only the next statement. I am going to be reading the lines. So let me click on the here the one statement we can give, console dot write line, copied array, copied array. Now you click on F5. What happened? Close it here. Okay. See, the order is copied from the latest actually. So ARR 90, 83, 74. So this order, the latest one, is having in the memory. So now, what is the command we given? Up to 5 elements to copy. So 90, 83. So up to 63 is the 5 elements. The rest of the elements 3 is nothing but it is an integer type. The array is an integer type, so that is the reason it is getting 0, 0, 0, all the zeros. Okay, if you copy pasted, okay, and something like if there is no, you don't have the element mentioned here to copy, so that's the reason it's a memory, but its memory is allocated up to 8 elements. So those 8 elements memory by default implies a something like it's a default data type, nothing but integer here. That's the reason you are getting the 3 zeros here. Okay. And one more case, for example, if you are given the 8, if you want to copy something like 10 elements, what will happen here? So just have a look what will happen. See, undefined, okay, unhandled exception, the system.argument exception, the destination array was not longer enough, okay, check disk index and the length. So the meaning is nothing but here. So whatever the length actually you are mentioned here, so only to copy up to 8 elements. So but what you are trying to do is you are trying to assign 2 more extra elements. So what will happen? So in this case it won't because the array here BRR of array created a memory for only up to 8 elements. You are trying to push 2 more elements, so there is no space for it. So that's the reason you are getting the above error. Let me show once again the system argument exception. The destination array was not long enough. Long, not long enough means here it does not have any space for that. So that is the error actually we are going to be get here. Okay, we didn't handle error mechanism, so that's the reason something unexpected error you are able to read this. But in the exception handling, we can give how to give the proper exception here. We will learn here. Okay, so something like this is out of index like kind of error. This is clear. Stop the close programming here. So let me change this to 5 for the further reference. Okay, so now I would like to talk any doubts regarding so far.
No.
No. Rows and columns here. Row, then CO. So rows and columns. So this is the statement for the single two-dimensional array here. So, but if you are trying to print the output, just it will how you want to print automatically. So in that order only you are going to be fetched. But the actual thing will happen internally is it is going to be store the information in the rows and the column format only. Okay. And the initialization also it's very simple. Same like integer of something like comma. Here ARR is equal to example here the new integer of something 3, 4. So 3 rows and 4 columns you are going to be give like this. Also you can give arrays. You can like only first initialization can given ARR just you declare, and of that ARR is equal to new of into 2 just 3. So this is what you can use. This is a fixed length. Or else if you want to use just integer of something like array comma name of the array, sorry, ARR is equal to new, or else sorry it's a dynamic. No need to use the list of arrays here. So list, for the list you want to list of the values you can give like this. Okay. You need to save. So this is the way you are going to be used. Okay, how to assign? Just I'll show with a small program here. Is it clear now? The new project. So in the new project, two-dimensional array we are going to be have. The Kumar, who is this Kumar? Kumar, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there, sir.
Okay. May I know your full name?
I'm Pranay Kumar.
Pranit Kumar. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine then. So here something like int of a is equal to here I am going to be declare like first I am going to be initialize the value int a is equal to 5, and I declare this two-dimensional array. Here two-dimensional array ARR is equal to new with 4 new int of something 4 rows and like 5 columns. Okay. Total 20 elements. 20 elements we are going to be get here. And how do you are going to be assigning the value? Assign